Okay, so welcome to Polish Lesson 1. Please remember to be ready to pause when questions are asked before the answer is provided. Let's start with a simple shift in Latin-English vocabulary that will unlock quite a few words in Polish. So, English words that end in shun, that is, tion, like nation, usually end in cia, that is, cja instead in Polish. So, nation is
Nacja. Nacja.
Using that, how would you say station? The answer is
Stacja. Stacja.
means station. Using that, how would you say information? The answer is.
Informacja.
And how would you say situation? The answer is.
Sytuacja. Sytuacja.
One more, how would you say operation? The answer is.
Operacja. Operacja.
Polish seems very easy when we build it from our common Latin vocabulary. Now, let's pick up a couple of everyday words. Water in Polish is.
Woda. Woda.
And coffee is kawa.
Kawa. Kawa.
Means coffee. There's also a very short word you'll want early on. Yes is.
Tak. Tak.
Now, a new piece. I want or I need is.
Chcę. Chcę.
It may be hard to pronounce. Pause the video and take your time to practice.
Chcę. Chcę.
Now, here's an important thing to think about. When you want something in Polish, and that something is one of these words ending in a, the a at the end changes to.
E. E.
So, if you want water, which is.
Woda. Woda.
Then, instead,
Woda.
becomes.
Wodę. Wodę.
So, the ending slightly changes.
Woda. Wodę. Wodę. Wodę.
Using that, and if you can remember the word for I want, how would you say I want water? The answer is.
Chcę wodę. Chcę wodę.
So, how would you say I want coffee?
Chcę kawę. Chcę kawę.
Now, do you remember the Polish word for information? Or at least how we get there from the English? Take your time and then tell me how you would say I want information. I want information in Polish, please.
Chcę informację. Chcę informację.
Just like with the other nouns ending with a, we have to swap the ending for.
E. E. E.
That's why information
Informacja.
has to become
Informacje. Informacje.
when we talk about what I want. So the final answer was.
Chcę informację.
What you just did there, changing the ending of a word depending on how it's being used in the sentence, is called a case. Polish uses cases a lot, more than English does. It can sound intimidating from the outside, but each case follows a pattern, the same way that a becoming a just now applied the same way across every word we used it with. As we go on, you'll start to recognize these patterns and they will feel more intuitive. So, before we finish, how would you say, yes, I want coffee? The answer is.
Tak. Chcę kawę. Tak. Chcę kawę.
And how would you say, yes, I want information? The answer is.
Tak. Chcę informację. Tak. Chcę informację.
That's the first episode finished. Congratulations. I hope you found this helpful and come back for more.